All right, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be freeze drying some peas. We got corn, we have carrots, and it might be a couple other things. I'm not sure. But our freezers in the house are full, and we need to start cleaning them out. And it's gotten to the point where it's hard to close the door sometimes because you're trying to move stuff around just to get the door closed. So we have to clean it out. Let me get this thing going. And let me show you the mess that's in the freezer. All right, so we're going to flip the machine on here. There's a switch here in the back. Okay, now we push start on the screen here. And our food is frozen. Now we got to check our drain valve. And now we hit yes because the drain valve is closed. Now once we get to 30 degrees, we're ready to load our food. Okay, you can see our freezer is full. So we have here, this was the other secret ingredient that I didn't mention. It was the whole green beans. So we're going to freeze dry the whole green beans also. What do you have here? Corn. And we have peas. And, ooh, here we go, carrots. Okay, so let's get this going. Let's see here, peas and the peas here. So here we are putting the peas in a bowl. And we're going to measure out 800 grams. Now you want to spread the peas evenly all around the tray. So here we decided to skip the bowl and go right on the trays for the corn and the rest of the vegetables. And now we're going to start stacking our trays. We like using these tray stackers. I'm going to have a link in the description under the videos where you can pick some up. Now the green beans were a little difficult to put on the tray because they were frozen solid, of course, and they're long and kind of hard to move around to get them to lay flat. But we got them to lay flat and it worked out really good. And now we have our frozen carrots. So there was a lot of frozen clumps, so I'm kind of hitting them with the spoon so it could lay flat. And now we can stack them all together and we're ready to put them in the freeze dryer. All right, so the chamber is now ready. We're gonna load our food here. Got our carrots. We'll put our carrots on top. Have our green beans. Got our corn. And our peas. And now we hit yes. And start. All right, so the freeze drying process has started. We will see you back here when it's done. All right, so it took just over 31 hours. We're gonna take these out, put them on the table, and we're gonna see how they come out. Okay, so now we're gonna check the food. Now we're gonna let the air back into the chamber. And again, make sure there's no water in the bucket. All right, now I can open the door. We're gonna check out our carrots here. Oh yeah, they are done. Yeah, they are done. Look at that. Green beans. Corn. Yeah, this all looks done. Let me put this all on the table. Careful, because if that one spills, it's gonna be a mess. And this one too. Yeah, that all looks done. Let me put it on the table and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, then here, it's gonna ask you if you want more dry time. I'm gonna put no. And complete. Make sure the drain valve is open and keep the door open so it'll defrost on its own. But if you were to hit defrost on here and have the machine defrost, then you'd want this door closed and of course the drain valve open. So this is what it looks like, the peas, the corn. Everything looks pretty much like it did before I put it in, except for now it just, see, that just breaks apart. What about the peas here? Yeah, everything's nice and dry. Alright, so this looks really good. Let me taste some of this. These are the peas.
They taste really good.
You've been eating them?
Mm-hmm. I did already.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that tastes pretty darn good. It'd make a great snack. Yeah, at the same time. Now the corn, I'm curious. Okay, the corn doesn't weigh anything. Oh wow, it's really good.
Yeah, I'm really surprised at the texture of the corn because it feels so light.
Yeah, I feel it just turns into nothing almost.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
And very sweet.
I wonder if we can make like a powder out of it
I'm sure we can.
and do something with it. I don't know. Okay, now the green beans. They're not bad.
Yeah, not bad. But it will still make a good snack.
Yeah, make a good snack. It's still a little fibery on the inside. At least these are. But it kind of like melts away. So, not bad. And the carrots. Well, the carrots are just carrots. But these, what do you do with these carrots? You just kind of slice them, right?
Yeah, just slice them.
In the food processor. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
These are all raw.
They're kind of, yeah. Yeah, these, you saw them. They were the frozen bags. And I'm sure the frozen bag that you buy at the store, I'm pretty sure they blanched them a little bit. I'm not 100% sure, but carrots are kind of nice too. A little kind of fibery. Mm-hmm. But it still tastes like carrot, but the corn is amazing. The corn is really good, just to eat it like that by itself. Because it just turns into like a powder and then it just disappears.
Since it's raw, you can put it in everything. In your food.
Yeah, yeah. So guys, this stuff here would be great to throw in what? Soups? Stew?
Soups. Mm-hmm.
What else?
And it's ready to make basically anything while you're traveling, or camping,
Yeah?
picnic. You just put some hot water and
I'm ready to go.
broth or whatever.
I like them as a snack though, they're really good.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Alright guys, so what we'll probably end up doing is putting these in Mylar bags, as we usually do. And with oxygen absorbers and sealing them. But yeah, this stuff, especially this corn, I'm really surprised.
Tastes really good, sweet.
It's really good, yeah. Got that nice sweet corn flavor to it.
The texture doesn't feel like corn.
In fact, you know what we should do one of these days? Just fill this whole thing up with corn and just make it as a snack.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice healthy snack. I can do this. And the
Peas.
the peas, yeah.
Really good too.
Don't mind us. We're just eating it all. All right, guys. So appreciate you watching. We're gonna start cleaning out our freezer and start freeze drying this stuff. Probably both machines. Guys, if you're interested in a cube freeze dryer, I have a link in the description under the video. And if you use, there's a discount code there, you're going to get some free stuff with it also. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. I really like this corn.
I like the peas.
Okay, you eat the peas, I'll eat the corn.
I like the flavor of the peas too.
I really like that. These are my favorites, these two.
These can be just going into soups.
Yeah.
It's good too for snacking.
Okay. Let's put, oh man, this is really good.